The notice of claims provision requires a policy owner to provide proof of loss to an insurer within a specified time, notify an insurer of a claim within a specified time, wait 60 days after filing a claim to initiate a lawsuit against an insurer, notify their physician of a claim within a specified time. The correct answer is notify an insurer of a claim within a specified time. If the insured does not notify the insurance company of a claim within 20 days, the insurance company can deny payment for the claim. The provision that defines to whom the insurer will pay benefits to is called entire contract, proof of loss, claim forms, payment of claims. The correct answer is payment of claims. The payment of claims provision informs the insured who the insurance company will be making payments to. Depending on the type of policy, it may be a medical service provider, the insured, or some other beneficiary. D. The beneficiary under her husband's AD&D policy submits an accidental death claim on May 1, 2010 following his death. However, the company denies the claim on the basis that death was due to natural causes. She decides to talk to her attorney. What is the earliest date for taking legal action against the insurer? May 2, 2010, June 1, 2010, July 1, 2010, May 1, 2011. The correct answer is July 1, 2010. An insured must wait 60 days after filing a written proof of loss for a disability income claim or AD&D claim prior to taking legal action against the insurer. What is the purpose of the time of payment of claims provision? Requires the insured to wait 60 days after submitting proof of loss before filing a lawsuit, prevents delayed claim payments made by the insurer, requires a probation period for each claim filed by the insured, protects the insurer from frivolous lawsuits. The correct answer is prevents delayed claim payments made by the insurer. The time payment of claims states the amount of time the insurance company has to pay a claim. This protects the insured from wondering when they are going to receive their payment after filing the claim and forces the insurance company to act within a reasonable amount of time. What should an insured do if the insurer does not send claims forms within the time period set forth in a health policy's claims forms provision? File a lawsuit, submit the claim in any form, wait for the claim form to arrive, resubmit the request for a claim form. The correct answer is submit the claim in any form. Although the insurance company is supposed to provide the insured with claim forms, it is up to the insured to notify the insurance company regardless. If claim forms are not provided, the insured can submit the claim using a napkin and crayon as long as all of the information is provided. Which of the following statements best describes what the legal actions provision of an accident and health policy requires? An insured must settle a claim within 60 days after proof of loss is submitted. An insured must wait at least 30 days after proof of loss has been submitted before a lawsuit can be filed. An insured must wait at least 60 days after proof of loss has been submitted before a lawsuit can be filed. An insured must settle a claim within 30 days after proof of loss is submitted. The correct answer is an insured must wait at least 60 days after proof of loss has been submitted before a lawsuit can be filed. The legal actions provision addresses the time limit for taking legal action when disputing a claim. Since it may take time for paperwork to go through the mail and for the insurance company to research your claim, they are given 2 months. If they have still not resolved the claim within 60 days, the insured can now take legal action. An insured must notify an insurer of a medical claim within how many days after an accident? 10, 20, 30, 40. The correct answer is 20. According to the Notice of Claims provision in a health insurance policy, a claimant or policyholder must notify the insurance company of a loss within 20 days, or as soon as reasonably possible. Which of these is considered a mandatory provision? Payment of claims, insurance with other insurers, misstatement of age, change of occupation. The correct answer is payment of claims. The main purpose of an insurance policy is to pay claims when the insured has a covered loss. Since most insureds are depending on these claim payments, it is mandatory that the insurance company includes a provision in the policy informing the insured how they will pay claims. When does a probationary period provision become effective in a health insurance contract? At the policy's inception, 30 days after the policy's inception, when a claim is submitted, when a covered loss occurs. The correct answer is at the policy's inception. Just like the probationary period at a new job begins the day you start, the probationary period of an insurance policy begins at the policy's inception. After an insured gives notice of loss, what must he or she do if the insurer does not furnish forms? File a lawsuit, contact the insurer again requesting forms, nothing, file written proof of loss. The correct answer is file written proof of loss. A health insurer is supposed to provide a proof of loss form within 15 days of receipt of the notice of loss. If they do not, the insured must file a proof of loss using any form. Again, if the insured wants the claim paid, it is always on them to prove that a loss occurred. After an insured gives notice of loss, what must he or she do if the insurer does not furnish forms? File a lawsuit, contact the insurer again requesting forms, nothing, file written proof of loss. The correct answer is file written proof of loss. A health insurer is supposed to provide a proof of loss form within 15 days of receipt of the notice of loss. If they do not, the insured must file a proof of loss using any form. Again, if the insured wants the claim paid, it is always on them to prove that a loss occurred. According to the time payment of claims provision, the insurer must pay disability income benefits no less frequently than which of the following options? Annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly. The correct answer is monthly. If someone is receiving disability income payments, it typically means they are not able to work. Since most bills come monthly, and the insured is depending on their disability income to pay those bills, the insurance company must make disability income payments at least once a month. Anytime the insurance company is going to be making periodic payments to an insured, they must make them at least once a month.